Have you ever signed up for a benefit and later wondered, did I actually save any money? Vision insurance is one of those perks that sounds useful, but is it really worth the cost? Let's break it down in real terms. Most vision plans run between $10 and $30 a month. That's roughly $120 to $360 a year. In exchange, you usually get one comprehensive eye exam and an allowance toward glasses or contact lenses. Seems fair, right? But here's the catch. If you're not someone who needs regular eye care or corrective lenses, that monthly premium might not give you much in return. Now compare that to paying out of pocket. An eye exam alone can cost anywhere from $45 at discount centers to over $200 at private offices. Frames and lenses can easily cost a few $100s, especially if you need extras like anti-reflective coating or progressive lenses. Contacts add up quickly too. So how do you know if vision insurance actually saves you money? Do the math based on your real needs. Add up what you typically spend in a year without insurance, then compare it to the annual cost of a plan plus any copays. Here's a practical example. Say you pay $150 for an exam and $250 for glasses. That's $400 out of pocket. Now, take a plan that costs $20 a month, so $240 a year. If that plan gives you a $15 exam copay and a $150 frame allowance, you'd spend $15 for the exam, $100 on glasses after the allowance, plus the $240 premium. That totals $355. In that case, you save $45. And the savings go up if your eyewear is more expensive or you buy contacts regularly. So who really benefits from vision coverage? If you or your kids wear glasses or contacts and need frequent updates, it can take the sting out of those predictable costs. People with eye conditions or older adults who need recurring checkups also tend to come out ahead. But if your vision is great, you only get exams occasionally, or you're fine snagging glasses at low-cost retailers like Costco or Walmart, then paying cash might beat paying premiums. And here's something people overlook. Not all inexpensive plans are actually a good deal. Some have tiny frame allowances or barely cover lens upgrades, so always look at what's included, not just the price. The bottom line, vision insurance is worth it when you actually use it enough to offset the cost. If exams, glasses, or contacts are part of your routine, a plan can save you real money. If not, you might be better off paying as you go. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you think differently about vision insurance, hit like and stick around. There's more money smart content coming your way.